this video, I'm going to show you 3 important buttons that you need to turn on your channel so that the YouTube will push your channel out there for viewers, so that people will be able to be seeing your videos. Whenever they search something that is in line with your content, they will be able to see your videos and click on it and watch it. From there, you'll be getting engagement, likes, comments, subscribers, and many more. So make sure you pay very good attention to this video and watch it to the end, because the last setting will shock you. Now, to do this, you must do it through YouTube website, not YouTube app. We are going to use YouTube website for this video so that you'll be able to see those buttons, because with your YouTube app, you cannot be able to see these buttons. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, share this video, like it, and comment in the comment section. Now, let's dive into the video properly. Click on your Chrome browser on your Android phone. You can only access these settings through YouTube website. So make sure you open your Chrome browser, type www.youtube.com. So once it's open, now to find your account, this is what you have to do. You have to click on this. As you can see, my own account is visible already. So you will see your picture. Then once you see your picture, the next you have to do is to click on it. Click on it. Once you click on that picture, once you click on that picture, then this is what you will see. Then click on view your channel. You can see it is written on blue. So click on that, view your channel. So once you click on view your channel, now you have to click on customize channel to get the advanced settings. So click on customize channel. Once you click on customize channel, it will now redirect you to your YouTube studio. I mean the YouTube studio website, not the app. So this is it. Once you are here, this is what you have to do. Look down, you will see a small setting icon. Look at it. I believe you can see it there. A small setting icon. Then click on that small setting icon. So once you click on the small setting icon, you will see this. So you will see general. Then the second one under the general is channel. Click on channel. Once you click on channel, now here, this is where you customize your channel. This is where you see the buttons you have to tick on, so that the YouTube algorithm will push your channel out there, so that it can be visible to viewers to view your content. So now click on advanced settings. Once you click on advanced settings, now the first button you have to turn on is this first one. You have to turn it on. If your channel is for kids, you have to click the first one that says, yes, this channel is made for kids. But if it is not for kids, it is for adult people, click on the second one, just like my own. That is the first setting. The first button you have to turn on. Then the second button you have to turn on is this one. This one that says automatic caption. This automatic caption helps viewers to view your content and understand it. This button helps you to get viewers from all parts of the world. Even the people that don't understand the language you use in your videos will be able to watch this video and understand it. Once this button is on, the language you use in your video, be it English, any type of language you use in your videos, then this button will help you to translate the language to the language of the viewers watching your video, so that they can understand it and engage on it. That is the power of this button. So the second one under it is called automatic dubbing. You have to click on enable. Once this button is on, this button will help you to write everything that you said on your videos. It will auto-generate caption for your videos. That is to say, whatever you are saying, it will be written on the screen, so that others will be able to understand it. If the person did not understand what you said, but through the caption, the person will understand it clearly. That is the help of this particular button. So make sure you click on that enable to enable it. Now, scroll down. You have to leave the disable interest-based ads. Leave it open. Now, the second one, you have to click on allow viewers to clip my content. So make sure you tick it so that it will be on good. Make sure all these ones is on good. So the other one that says allow third-party companies to trend, just leave it open. It is not necessary. So these are the buttons that you need to turn on so that YouTube will put your channel out there for viewers, so that any content that you post, people will be able to view your content. As you can see, that is what I did to this channel. That is why you were able to see this video and watch it. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for more powerful videos like this.